Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, today we are just continuing your previous chapter. Okay, so let's get started. Class 5th, we are starting a new topic of your chapter number 9, that is converting a percent into fraction. So in this topic we will learn to how to convert a percent into a fraction. So your first question is express 70% to a fraction. Okay, fraction means you should have two terms, a numerator as well as a denominator. Okay, so your question, they have given you have to convert this 70%. So you will write 70% is equals to, this is 70 and upon 100. Okay, you will remove this percentage sign and put a 100 below this 70. Clear? After doing that, you have to reduce this to a lowest term. So I am cutting this 0 from the 0. Okay, so what you are getting, 7 by 10, and this will be your answer. So you have converted 70% as a fraction, and what you are getting, 7 upon 10. Clear? We will do one more question. So your question number 2 is express 5 upon 11% to a fraction. Okay, so you will write 5 upon 11%. I told you what you have to do. You have to remove this percent sign and you have to write down upon 100. So it will be 5 upon 11 multiplied by 100. This is clear. I have removed this percent sign and I have written 100 in denominator. Okay, now cut it. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10 and 0s are 0. So this will be 1 upon 11 into 20. And when you multiply it, you are getting 1 upon 220. And this will be your answer. Okay. So converting or expressing 5 upon 11% to a fraction, what you are getting 1 in the numerator and 220 in denominator. Okay. Now your question number 3rd is express 1 whole 1 upon 2% to a fraction. Now this is a mixed fraction, so you have to convert it into an improper fraction. So you will write 1 whole 1 upon 2% is equals to 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. This will be 3 upon 2%. Clear? Now you have to remove this percent sign. So after removing this percent sign, what you will be doing? You will be writing 100 in denominator. Okay? Now as you can see, you cannot cut this one, so it will be 3 upon 200 and this will be your answer. Clear? So this is the way of converting a percent to a fraction. Next we are having converting percent to decimal. Okay, now we will learn how to convert a percent into a decimal. So your first question is convert 55% to a decimal number. Okay, you have to convert this 55% to a decimal number. I told you you can write 55 like percent like this also, or you can write 55 upon 100. It is clear? I have removed this percent sign and I have written 100 below it. Clear? Now you have to convert this into decimal number. How you will do it? First count the 0 in the denominator. How many zeros you are having? 1, 2. Okay, so you have to count in numerator towards, you have to put a point towards the left. So go to the left, 1, 2. After 2 digits, so your point will be here. Your answer will be 0.55. Clear? You have to count the zeros. 1, 2 zeros are there. So point will be after 2 places. So you will be count 1, 2 and towards the left you have to go. 1, 2 and after 2 digit I have placed a point and this will be your answer. Clear? We will do one more question. So your next question is convert 163% to a decimal number. So you will write 163%. I told you you can write it like this also, 163 upon 100. Okay. Now you have to convert it into decimal. So how many zeros? 1, 2. So your point will be placed after 2 digits towards the left. So 1, 2. It means your point should be here. So your answer will be 1.63 and this will be your answer. After a point, you cannot read it as 63. It is read as 6 and 3. Okay, like this one. It's 0. Not 55. It is 0.55 and this is 1.63. Okay, and this will be your answer. Next, we are having converting decimals to percent. Okay, now we will convert a decimal number to a percent. So question number 1 is convert 2.32 to Okay, so you will write 2.32. So for converting it into percent, first of all, what you have to do, you have to convert it into a fraction. And how you are going to convert it? You have to remove this decimal from here. When you remove this decimal, after decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2. After decimal, I am having 2 digits. So you will write 232 upon 100. After decimal, how many digits I am having? 2 digits. That's why I have written 100. That is the digit with 2 zeros. Okay. So I have removed the decimal and I have written below 100 below it. Okay. So I have converted this decimal number into a fraction. Now you have to find its percentage, and we know that how to find the percent. For finding the percent, we have to multiply the fraction with 100. So I have multiplied it with 100. Now you will cut this 100 from this 100. Clear? So you will be getting its 232%, and this will be your answer. Clear? Question number 2 is convert 0.006 to percentage. Okay, now you have to convert this 0.006 to percent. So you will write 0.006 is equals to, you have to convert this into fraction first. So you will be writing, now see, after point how many digits I am having? 1, 2, 3. After point how many digits? 3. So it will be 6 upon 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Clear? Why? Because after this point I am having 1, 2, 3 digits. So I have written 6 because now no need of writing these 0. If you want to write, you can write, but there is no meaning of 0 writing before a number. Okay? So I am not writing them. And it will be your 6 upon 1000. Okay, now you have to convert it into percentage. So this will be 6 upon 1000 multiplied by 100. Clear? Now cut these 2 zeros with these 2 zeros and you are getting 6 upon 10. Okay, now again you can remove this 10 and put a point over here. How many zeros? 1. So in numerator, point will be before 1 digit. So it will be your 0.6%. Don't forget to put this percent sign. As you are multiplying it with 100, you have to write the percent sign over here. Okay, so this is the way of changing a decimal to a percent. Next, we are having calculating the percent of a number. So how to calculate a percent of a number? So first question is find the value of 90% of 50. You have to find the value of 90% of 50. Okay. So how you will do it? You will write 90% of 50 is equals to 90% means you can write it like 90 upon 100. Clear? Replace this of by multiplication and now you are having 50. You got this line? This is 90%. I have written 90% as 90 upon 100. This off is replaced by multiplication and 50 as it is. Okay. Now you can cut this. I am cutting this 0 from this 0 and this 0 from this 0. You can cut zeros only like this. Okay. And only if the 0 is towards the extreme right. Only then you can cut the zeros, not in middle. Okay. Now it is coming 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. So 90% of 50 is 45. Clear? Now your question number 2 is find the value of 30% of 20 kg. Here they have given you a unit also. Okay. So same method you have to follow. That is 30% of 20 kg. Okay. So 30% means 30 upon 100 of is replaced by multiplication and this is your 20. Okay. Now from this 0 cut this 0 and from this 0 cut this one. It is coming 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Clear? Now in question they have given you a unit kg. So don't forget to put the unit and this will be your answer. It means 30% of 20 kg is 6 kg. Clear? So students, this is all for today. So practice these kinds of questions and take care of yourself.